Oh, giant millipedes. Oh, big giant millipedes. Oh my goodness. Oh, super big. Big giant millipedes. Oh, in the rain. So quiet. It's a big quiet. Oh. So big quiet. So quiet in the hole. So big quiet. Wow, it's really big. The crab is really big. Mountain crab. Wow, it's so mountain crab. Where is the mountain crab? Wow, it's super big. Where is the mountain crab? Oh, there. So mountain crab here. Here, the mountain crab in the forest. Oh, it's really big. Oh. Wow. Oh, here. It's really big crab I never see before. Catch it. See? You see the crab? See the crab? Here, that's a big crab. Oh my goodness. So oh. There's a mountain crab a lot in the hole. Can call wild crab. Choo! Oh, giant millipedes. Oh, here. See another one. It's doing the run. Oh, yeah. What is that? Wow, it's good and millipedes. Oh, it's really special. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. It's super fast. Oh, you see. It's doing the running. The millipedes come out. Oh, it's different color. Wow. It looks really nice. Gonna find. I hope to see more millipedes. Oh, here. Here. Another one. Another one. Another leaf. Here. Okay. Wow, it's great. Millipede. After rain. It's doing the rain, no after. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Millipedes. Oh, giant millipedes. Oh, here. Another giant millipedes. Oh, on the leaf. Oh, got it. One more. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. We got a giant millipedes in here. Ooh, so millipedes. Here. Over there. You see it? You see it? It's coming down. A giant millipedes coming down. Here. Can you see it? Here, giant millipedes coming down. One by one. Wow, it's such amazing food. Put up food over there. It's really nice food in the nature. Oh, giant millipedes. Oh, big giant millipedes. Oh my goodness. Oh, super big. Big giant millipedes. Go in the rain. Now it's raining. No any millipedes. crab. It's a big crab. Ooh. Big crab. Oh. So big crab. Wow, it's really big. The crab is really big. Mountain crab. Wow, it's a mountain crab. Where is the mountain crab? Wow, it's super big. Where is the mountain crab? Oh, there. So mountain crab here. Here, the mountain crab in the forest. Oh, it's really big. Oh. Wow. Oh, here. It's really big crab. I never see before. Catch it. You see the crab? See the crab? That's a big crab. Oh my gosh. Oh. There's a mountain crab a lot in the hole. Can call wild crab. So crab in the hole. Oh, it's gone. So another crab in the hole. It's really fun. Into the hole. Smell. snake. Shoo! Oh, giant millipedes. Oh, here. Let's see another one. It's doing the run. Oh, yeah. Look carefully. Find your millipedes. What is that? Wow, it's good and millipedes. It's really special. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. It's super fast. You see. Look. Look at here. Look this. It's doing the running. The millipedes come out. It's different color. Wow. This looks really nice. Kind of fun. It's doing the running. I hope to see more and more giant millipedes in there, and some in the mountains now. Crab. What's that? Oh, it's dead. It's dead already. Let's see any millipedes here. Giant millipedes. Here. Another giant millipedes. On the roof. Got it. One more. Okay, good. Oh, just yeah. We got a giant millipede in here. They stay on the leaf and the plant. What's there? What's the fruit here? Oh, a lot. No. Here, got a lot. You can see one by one, it's not much out of millipedes in here. So I hope to see more millipedes. Ooh, here, another one, another leaf here. Okay. Wow, it's great. Really big. After rain. It's during the rain, no after rain. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. Let's gonna find us. I have a lot. We still finding them. We still see more. Ooh, so millipede. Here. Over there. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's coming down. The giant millipede is coming down. Here. Can you see it? Here, the giant millipede is coming down. One by one. Look carefully. We will find more and see more. All the millipedes in the forest. Wow, it's really big tree here. Tree are really big. Okay. super much tree. I don't know what is that tree called. No any millipedes in here. Ooh. Ooh. It's going to have heavy rain. Because the wind also. No any millipedes here. I cannot find them anymore. I found only some of these here. I don't know where are they. There's nothing to see them. Wow, it's such amazing food. Oh, lot of food over there. It's very nice food in the nature. No any more millipedes. No any. So I just gotta find. Oh, it's going to make a couple, right? Oh. Yeah. She's gonna make a couple things. Yeah, grab. Let's grab it, can't get out. No. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. It smells good. Oh. It's such an amazing. Oh. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I found only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 giant millipedes and 1 crab with a snail on the mountains and the forest. You can see here. Oh, it's a golden millipedes here. See, it's a golden millipedes. Golden millipedes. Yes, golden millipedes. And it is square millipedes. Okay, everyone. It's golden heads on the video. See. the head of it. Yeah. Oh, the heads are good on millipedes. Okay. Oh, ui da. Ui da. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Recover the millipedes. Okay, everyone. Thank you very much.